Hi guys, it's me. I got some Happy Mail. So I got some Happy Mail from the fabulous Tashia Wood. I'm so sorry if I'm saying your name right. It's a beautiful name, but hopefully I said it right. I'm horrible with names, so please forgive me if I didn't. But thank you for this beautiful package. It came today, so I'm super excited. So there's all this beautiful washi tape, which I love. It's so pretty, and I love that you have a butterfly on your address. That's really cool. So let's open it up. Let's see what's in here. And thank you so much for the Happy Mail. I was super excited. I got 2 this week, so that's pretty awesome. Just kind of see. Perfect. Oh my goodness, and everything is just packaged beautifully. Thank you. So first we have some napkins. Let's see, maybe I'll start. I think I see an envelope. Goodies. Oh, cool. Beautiful. Thank you. Let me read this first. Oh. Oh, well, thank you. I'm so glad. I'm so happy and grateful to have you as one of my subscribers. It means so much to me. And thank you for these wonderful goodies. I truly appreciate it. Wonderful. And thank you. It's very sweet of you. What a cute little card. I love it. Okay, so let's get into the goodies. Wow. Oh my goodness, so there's washi tape. Look at that. Look at the emoji one. That is totally cute. And there's polka dots. Oh, that's great. And I love the glitter. Ooh, and look at the glitter with the stars. Isn't that pretty? Thank you. This is beautiful. Fun, fun. I love washi tape. It's so fun. Oh, and then look at these tags. Aren't these cute? So there's a bike and there's like vintage women swimming. Isn't that cute? Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for this wonderful Happy Meal. Those are cute. Pray more, worry less. That's a good one. I should like put this on my wall. That's great. I love it. And these are beautiful Project Life cards. Oh, glory to God. Aren't these beautiful? I'll have to put these in my prayer journal. Those are beautiful flowers. Ooh, and look at this. Beautiful and bright. And smile. That's always a great thing. Oh, and these are cute. These are really cute index cards. Oh, and I love butterflies. Thank you. Butterflies are the best. Those are beautiful. And I love how rounded those are. Ooh, and look at these cute little houses with the horses. Oh, they're so cute. And there's another Project Life card. Thank you. Or I should, or like a postcard. These flowers are so beautiful. I love flowers. Oh, and glory to God. Those are great. Very great. Wow, and then look at this scrapbooking paper. Isn't this cool? Oh my goodness. Look at the kitty with the duck. Oh my gosh. How cute is he? Oh. And then there's writing on the back. This is totally cute. Oh, I love cats. They're my favorite. And then this too. I had a cat. I've told you guys my crazy cat story about the cat that I loved so much when I was little. Her name was Betsy, and she completely destroyed our house. So my mom made us get rid of her. We took her to, they have like a no-kill shelter here, and she did really destroy our house. I don't know what she was going through, but she did not want us to leave, and she was really mad at us. But I just remember that I had tears just rolling down my eyes and snot rolling down my cheeks because I was so upset because I loved her so much. She was so beautiful. She's a beautiful blonde cat. So every time I see cats, I think of her. And she went to a really good home. They called and told me because I was so upset. So, yeah, and I know she brought a lot of joy to them, and they were able to be at home with her a lot more than we were. So that's good. And that was awesome. That would make a great little pocket or something. That's awesome. Thank you. Very cool. I love this color. This beautiful lime color. Junk journal time. Oh, and look at this. It's an envelope. Wow. It looks like a handmade one, too. I don't know if this actually comes out. This is cool. It's like a telephone. Oh, that's cool. I think it's a little pocket. Oh, that's cool. And it is. It's like an old-fashioned telephone. My grandma had one of those, and you used to have to spin it around. That brings back good memories too. Lots of great memories. And then a little composition book. Oh, this is so cute. I'll have to alter it. Oh, and look at the napkins. Oh, those are pretty. I love those. Flowers. Very cool. Nice. I love it. And then more beautiful flowers. Wow. These are so nice. Thank you. And then dream big. Isn't that the truth? Those are great. Oh, oh my goodness. Friends are the chocolate chips in the cookies of life. Oh, that's cute. That's beautiful. Thank you. That'd be great. On a napkin collage. Oh, wonderful. How sweet. Oh, and she sent me the contents of the Happy Mail, which is totally cute. Very cute. So what I've been doing with Happy Mail, guys, is that I've been putting it in this binder, and I'm going to make projects with all your Happy Mail. So it's super cute. And I also want a way so I can remember it. So I'll have your addresses and stuff, and I can just have a pleasant memory with all this fabulous Happy Mail that you guys sent me. So thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And I'll have a place to put your cards and that kind of thing too. So I've been putting them in bags. Like this is a Happy Mail that I got in bags like that. And that's what I'm going to start doing. And then I will use them, and it'll be so fun. And I will know who they came from because they're so precious to me. And I love them. So we'll definitely do something with this wonderful Happy Mail. Thank you so much. I feel so spoiled. And thank you for your beautiful words. I truly appreciate them. And I will see you guys later. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And thank you so much for this beautiful Happy Mail. I will totally enjoy it, and I really appreciate your support. And I will see you later. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.